Hello friends, I'm Sheetal Bansal. I secured AIR 29 in the Engineering Services 2014 and through GATE I secured AIR 217 in the GATE 2014 only, and with the GATE I joined HPCL, that is Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited, and prior to that I was working with the HAL. Now, as you all know, we launched our course for the GATE 2021 and for the GATE 2022 for the mechanical engineering students, and our website for the course curriculum, our website is www.gatevidya.com, right? So in this website you will find our course curriculum, our that my video lectures which I prepare for the GATE 2021 mechanical students. And we have two types of courses. First is a 1 year course which have the access of 365 days, right? And the fees for this 1 year course is your 9,999. This is the course, right? This is the course fees for the 1 year. For the 2 year course which have access of complete 2 year, that is your 730 days, right? So that fees is 18,999. We also launched our test series, and the course and the test series fees is 999. If you register with our 1 year or 2 year course, you will get this test series free of cost. And if you separately want to register only for the test series, then the test series cost is 999. In the test series we have around 45 subject tests. You will find the complete detail of our test series on my website gatevidya.com. So you will have 45 subject tests. For each and every subject we have 2 or 3 subject wise tests. Then we have 9 multi-subject tests in which we combine 2 or 3 subjects and we prepare one test. So you have 9 multi-subject tests. Then after that you have 5 grand tests, that you can say that full length test, and 5 mock test, right? So this will be the complete test series that will cost you 999 if you want to register for the test series. So during our course, in this course I covered each and every topic of the mechanical engineering as per the new syllabus of the GATE 2021, which also include the new added portions of the some subject like compressible flow or some concept of shear center and some topic of your industrial engineering that is newly added. We will cover each and every topic in detail, right? You can also subscribe our YouTube channel for more updates. That YouTube channel is GATE Mechanical Lectures by Sheetal Bansal. You can subscribe to that channel. We are posting some of the videos on our YouTube channel also. So I'll cover each and every subject in detail with some good numericals from all the available textbook and some of the previous year GATE questions, some of the previous year engineering services conventional question, some of the previous year civil services previous year questions. We cover each and every subject in depth and in detail. I touch each and every concept, I touch each and every derivations of the subject which you need during your GATE preparation, right? Now most of the students will say that why we want to join this gatevidya.com or to subscribe my channel or to join me as a GATE tutor. So I'll say that there are so many tutors available, right? There are so many offline classes are going on, so many institutes are now recently coming in this online platform, but the main advantage with our course is that, see, in some of the institutes the teachers are teaching and that you don't have the access to contact the faculties, you don't have the access to resolve your problems, resolve your doubts, right? But in our course, our website, see I owned this complete setup, right? I personally take care of all of the students, and personally you have that access to contact me directly through WhatsApp, through Telegram and through emails. You have the complete access so that you can contact me over there, so that I can reply to your queries, I can clear all your doubts regarding your any subject, regarding any question, regarding any concept, right? And we will be available for you 24/7 so that you can ask any question. Also we have some experts which are associated with us, which can resolve your queries, right? We have some GATE toppers also which are associated who are associated with us, and they can clear all your doubts. But complete syllabus will be taught by me, right? I'll teach each and every subject, and you can see my content, you can see the content, the quality of the content through my YouTube videos. I posted more than 60-70 videos on the YouTube, and daily one video is coming regarding your subject preparation, right? You can see the quality of the content there, and if you are satisfied with the quality, then you can just join us for the best result, right? We will just commit that you will get a very good quality content that will be taught by us, and you will get a very good rank. You will be able to score a very good rank, right? In this our setup, I personally monitor each and everything. I personally monitor each and every doubt of the students. In this gatevidya.com, you can also register for a demo class. We have a demo platform also, where you can find 25 to 30 hours of demo class, right? 25 and 30 hours of access of my videos, where you can see the quality of the content, and you can also register for the 3 demo test for the quality check, right? You can subscribe to that. You can just register for the test series, and you can just register for the demo course. That will be free of cost to all of the students who can register on that on my website. You will get access on your email, and you can see those demo classes and the demo test you can take, right? Now our test series is well designed by some of very good experts which we are having, and that some of the tests are designed by me. All the questions are designed by me and my support team. We have a best support team, I can say that, because we choose those students who are really who are really willing to help the aspirants of the GATE 2021 or 2022, and who are very having the depth knowledge of the subject, and they can resolve all your queries. And we will commit that if you email us, if you text us your queries, then we will give you the reply within 24 hours, that is for sure. And if you are not satisfied with our email, and if there is some concept that can be that required some physical interaction of us, then we can also meet through Skype or through Zoom meeting or through Microsoft Teams. So many things are there. Or we can send you the complete solution of that problem. If you share the problem with us, we can send you the complete solution of that, or we can make a video on that question so that your doubts will be cleared. That each and everything will be done within 24 hours if you are not satisfied with our emails, right? We can do that. So you have the complete access to me. You can always contact me regarding your queries, because so many students who are teaching, who are studying from so many online platforms which are available. The most important disadvantage is that you are not able to contact the faculties, you are not able to cover, you are not able to clarify your doubts, you are not able to clarify if you stuck up with some problem, then you will not be able to clarify. But that is not the situation with us. We are always available with you, and you have the complete access of our emails, and through our Telegram channel or through WhatsApp channel, you can just contact us and we will reply, that is for sure. Within 24 hours we will commit it to that, so we will reply you. And in this complete that syllabus of if we talk about the syllabus of the GATE, we already cover more than 9 subjects. If we start that: thermodynamics, strength of material, fluid mechanics, power plant, IC engine, heat transfer, RAC, and your industrial engineering and your theory of machines, right? These subjects are already covered, and you can see all the videos which are coming on the YouTube. You can see the quality of the videos, quality of the content, and the way I started from the very basic, so that each and every student can have that basic understanding of the concept की if I say, क्योंकि कुछ लोग बोलते हैं कि सर हिंदी में भी कुछ आप it's better to say in हिंदी, so आप चेक कर सकते हैं YouTube वीडियोस पे कि कंटेंट आपके यूजफुल है या नहीं है, because I feel that I'll teach from the very basics, from the very scratch, so that a very low or very average student can able to understand, right? So that you will get a very good rank in the GATE 2021 or 2022. This year you have an advantage that third year students are also eligible to write the GATE, so that is the more advantageous for the third year students. So if you start preparing today, then there may be a chance that because of some other commitments, जो थर्ड ईयर स्टूडेंट्स, जो कॉलेज गोइंग स्टूडेंट्स हैं, उनको कॉलेज भी देखना है, कॉलेज के सेमेस्टर एग्जाम्स आर देयर, कॉलेज के असाइनमेंट्स आर देयर. But if you start preparing from now onwards, then you have a very better chance that you can score a very good rank in the GATE when you write in the final year, right? So that is the advantage. Now we are providing these three different types of courses: 1 year course, 2 year course, and this test series, right? All the details that how you have to get the access of this 1 year, 2 year, and test series course, that all the details will be on this website gatevidya.com. And you can also recommend all your aspirants, all your colleagues which are preparing for the GATE 2021, and they can subscribe to my channel and they can join us for the better understanding of the syllabus and better concept understanding, right? So this is all my setup. I personally take care of all of you and will personally speak to you regarding your queries and regarding your doubts. If you have any problem, if you have any doubt regard of any question, then we can give you the access of our videos that will be made specially for you for that problem only. We will write you the email, or if something happens, then we can also contact each and we can contact you through Zoom meetings or through some Skype calling. Our live sessions are also there. Every week I'll try to come to the live on YouTube so that you can ask some more doubts if you are having regarding the preparation and all. So that will be the complete curriculum of our course, that will be the complete structure of the course, and my course is very well structured, that when you have to start with subject, I structured that course in that fashion only and will provide that links to you, will provide that. And also see, बहुत लोग प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, ठीक है, अगर मैं ऐसे बात करूं कि बहुत लोग प्रिपरेशन करते हैं, अगर हम गेट की बात करें तो अराउंड 2 to 2.5 लाख स्टूडेंट्स आर गिविंग द गेट, राइट? लेकिन हर किसी का रैंक नहीं आता है. रैंक आने के लिए यू नीड सम प्रॉपर गाइडेंस, सम प्रॉपर एक पाथ आपको ज़रूरी है कि आप रैंक ला सकते हैं, ठीक है. ईच एंड एवरी थिंग विच आई एम टीचिंग इज अवेलेबल विद द टेक्स्ट बुक ऑल्सो, बट टेक्स्ट बुक पढ़ के रैंक लाना बहुत मुश्किल है, बिकॉज टेक्स्ट बुक में बहुत सारी चीज़ें होती हैं एंड यू डोंट हैव दैट मच टाइम टू कवर ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक एंड जस्ट रिमेंबर ईच एंड एवरी टॉपिक, दैट विल बी डिफिकल्ट. तो वी स्ट्रक्चर दैट आवर सिलेबस इन दैट फैशन कि आप एक स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगर उसको फॉलो करते हैं, देन यू विल गेट ईच एंड एवरी वेरी गुड चांसेस देयर कि यू विल गेट अंडर 100 रैंक एंड यू विल बी एबल टू गेट अ वेरी गुड PSUs, राइट? बिकॉज अभी तो गेट के अंदर सारे PSUs गेट के अंदर आ गए हैं, तो यू माइट ट्राई फॉर द गेट, एंड अगर आप ज्वाइन करते हैं देन यू विल फील, राइट? आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि आई एम द बेस्ट, एंड बस एक बार यू just watch the videos which are available on YouTube, watch our content, whether it will be useful for you, you decide. And if you feel that yes, this content is useful for you, then you can register to our course, right?